I'm Vinny, and if you have any problems with applying eyelashes, you won't after watching this video because I'm going to show you how to glue them on. So stay tuned. Okay, so first what you'll need to start applying your lashes is your lash. These are from Icycheer. I got them on Amazon. I think they're like $1.99 free shipping. So really affordable. You get like a thing of 10 of them. 10. 5 pairs, 10 lashes, but you know what I mean. And to do that, I'm gonna take them out. Then you just take it out. And then you have one of these. So a lot of times lashes will have like longer ends or like stray lashes that might like stick up from taking them out of the packaging. You just want to like get little small scissors and just like trim those. Because if you don't trim them when you apply your lash and you glue them on, the longer ends and like the like stray eyelashes will like stab you in the eye all day long, and that's not cute, and you'll start crying, and that's not good. So just, you know, trim them. And then of course need to apply the lash glue, and today I'll be using Duo Lash Glue, the white dries clear adhesive. I think this does have latex in it. It smells kind of weird. Yeah. Gonna apply a little bit. Let me see if I can show you how to. Just like a little bit. I like to put more on like one end of it so I can just like paint it down the band. Maybe put a little bit more. I could use more on this one. Yeah, just a little bit. Like, you don't want it to have like glue like all over the bands and like the lash root of the lash too and everything. You just want enough to cover the bands. And then you just lay it down for like a good half a minute to a minute. But while you're doing that, you can do a lot of other shit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put black eyeliner pencil and mascara, and today I'm using the Bold Lash by LA Colors. This is only $1. Got it from Dollar Tree, literally. But honestly, it's great and it does amazing on the lower lash line. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that. Okay, and then also a little thing that I like to do is I like to take my black eyeliner pencil and like to draw just like right in the inner part of my eye, like right here. I just find that it like really adds that like, that adds to that like cat eye effect with the like wing and everything. Just makes it all more defined. And my lash glue is almost done drying. So I'm just gonna hurry up and do that. It just takes a couple seconds. And like it's like literally the littlest detail, but to me it just makes a big difference. I don't know. Okay, so it looks like the lash glue is done getting tacky. So my mirror, Miss Fenty Beauty, and it can be any mirror. I'm just gonna take the thing, gonna kind of just like move it around like that. You see what this is? I just like to do it like that, and it's like bend it forwards, backwards, all the ways, just to add some flexibility, because these aren't necessarily bent to the shape of anyone's eye perfectly, so I just have to like move it around to give it some flexibility and shit. And yeah. So what I like to do when I apply my lashes is I like to take it and like plop it like on the middle. Just make sure that at least the like middle part of the band is stuck, and then like play with both ends of the lash to make sure that everything sticks how and where you want it to. So I'm just gonna really softly. It's stuck. Kind of, well, kind of. It's still kind of wet, but it's okay. It's tacky. It's gonna feel kind of wet. That's normal. And because I'm using the white to clear adhesive, if I mess up and get lash glue anywhere during this process, it'll dry clear. I don't have to worry about it. So that's why I personally prefer this kind of adhesive as opposed to the black one, because there are black ones out there. So this can get messy, especially if you're a beginner. I don't recommend using black eyelash glue because if you mess up, you're gonna get black all over your pretty eyeshadow and everything, so you don't want that. Lots of back and forth tapping, and I like to, I take my like thumb and index finger and kind of like pinch my real lashes with the fake ones to really marry the band to the root of my lash. And it's on. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this was helpful. I just wanted to do a little mini tutorial because I get questions all the time about how to apply lashes and make them look good and everything. So I hope that was helpful. That's just how I do it. But yeah, please be sure to stick around to see new videos. I'll be uploading things really soon. I'm getting back into it. So yeah, thanks for watching.